Hey everybody, today we're in a GMC Sierra. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip console mount number 835471. Please note this also fits the Chevy Silverado 1500 of the same years. So first, this is a console mount and it's going to snap onto this inner edge of the console here. Basically it's going to sit right where this lip is, and then it's going to hook in down here right under this wood trim. And this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see it as this red covering right here. Now you need to peel that covering off before you attach the mount to the vehicle. And that tape is designed so if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. And finally, we want to mention that make sure you install the mount to the vehicle before you screw anything into this faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. Now the first thing you're going to do is just hook this upper edge around this lip on the console. It's a pretty simple installation from there. We're just going to take our other hand and we're going to press down until it snaps into place underneath. There we go. Nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.